Today we are discussing about linear search, and it is the most fundamental and the simplest way of search method. Here, every element in the given list is compared with the item to be searched. Look at this example. Say that we have 47 which is given for searching in this list. Look at this, we have 8 elements which are stored in the list. The starting index starts from 0 and here the last index is 7. In the 0th index we have 34. Now the first element 34 is compared with the item to be searched. Now 47 is not equal to 34. Now the search is unsuccessful. We move to the next location where we have 10. 10 is also compared with 47. It won't match. Then the searching moves to the next index where we have 66. That also won't match with the item to be searched. Then the searching moves to the third location where we have 27. 27, when it is compared with the item to be searched, it won't match. We move to the fourth location where we have 47, which is matched with the value to be searched. Now we say that the search is successful and the given item which is 47 is present in the fourth location. Look at this algorithm. We have a function called linear search and we have 3 arguments which receives values. This receives the list with elements and this is the key value to be searched in the list. N is the number of elements present in the list. The index starts from 0. We have a while loop which repeatedly executes this if statement where all the elements in the list is compared with the key element. If the key element is matched with the element present in the list, then we print the message the given element is found at position so and so. If not, the index moves to the next location, then the next element will be compared with the key. Like that, this if statement executes. Suppose if the element is not found in the list, then we print the message the search is unsuccessful. Coming to this Python program, we have a function linear search where we have 2 arguments, list and key, and we have a for loop. The execution or the repetition of this for loop, it is depending upon the number of elements present in the list or the length of the list. Now each element is compared with the key element. If the key element is matched with the element present in the list, then this if condition returns index plus 1, nothing but the index value. Suppose if this condition gets false, if none of the elements won't matches with the element present in the list, then this function returns the value none to this variable position where this function was called. Now this line creates an empty list and we have an input statement which accepts how many elements you are in need to enter into the list. That will be assigned to the maximum variable. Now we have a print statement which asks you to enter the element to be stored in the list. We have a for loop. This for loop executes depending upon the value given for this variable. Now whatever the input given is accepted by this line and it will be assigned to this variable and that value will be appended to the list. Now after appending all the elements given to the list, it will be displayed using this statement. Now the user enters the number to be searched, that is converted into the integer and it will be stored in the key variable. Now we call the function. What is the item to be searched? What you have given to the key variable that will be passed to this function key, argument key. Now the list one, whatever the elements you have given stored in the list one will be passed to this variable or the argument list. Now we have the if condition. If the position is none, suppose no element is found, this none will be returned to this variable. If none is found, now we say that the item is not present in the list. If this value is assigned to this variable, then we print the message the given is present at the position so and so. So this is how this program works. Look at this sample example. This is the number of elements to be stored in the list. You are giving as 4. Now the for loop executes 4 times. You are entering 4 values: 12, 23, 3 and minus 45. Again you are using a printing statement to print all the elements what you have given. Now you are seeing this on the output. And the user enters the key element as 23. Now 23 is searched in this list. We found that 23 is present in the second location. Actually it counts starts from 0, 0 and 1. Actually 23 is present in 1, but in the program you have made a small alteration that whatever the index value found, it will be added with 1. That's why in the output it is printed as 2. This is the total discussion of this small Python program. Thank you for listening. My dear friends, if you feel that our videos are informative, please subscribe, give like and comment and share our videos. Thank you.
ಏನಾಯ್ತೆ ಅನು? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ನಮ್ ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೋಡ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಮಯ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10th ಜಾವಾ, PUC ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ 100% ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.